Google's latest update is a game-changer for Pixel users, offering a host of new features that will revolutionize their phone experience. But are these updates enough to keep users loyal to the Pixel brand? The November Pixel drop unveiled. Google has just delivered a set of compelling updates for Pixel users, with 5 significant enhancements that will start rolling out immediately. These features promise to improve user security, communication, and overall phone functionality. 1. Enhanced scam protection. Pixel users can now breathe easier with an advanced scam detection system. Similar to the call monitoring feature, the phone will alert users to potential text scams from popular apps, giving them a chance to avoid fraud. But here's where it gets controversial: how much of our privacy are we willing to trade for this added security? 2. VIP communication made easier. Staying in touch with your most important contacts, or VIPs, is now more seamless. The phone will prioritize notifications from these contacts, ensuring you never miss a message. Plus, a new crisis badge in the Contacts widget keeps you updated on critical alerts. A handy feature, but some might argue it's a double-edged sword, potentially causing FOMO or unnecessary stress. 3. Summarizing conversations. For those who prefer a quick summary, the Pixel can now condense lengthy conversations into a TLDR version. This feature, available only on Pixel 9 and above, simplifies catching up on group texts and long threads. But is this a sign of our decreasing attention spans, or a helpful tool for busy individuals? 4. Smarter AI assistants. The much-hyped Magic Q AI feature is getting an upgrade. With the new private AI compute, it can provide more timely and contextually relevant prompts and suggestions. However, this feature is still exclusive to Pixel 10 models, leaving older models behind. 5. Creative photo editing. The popular remix feature from Google Photos has made its way to Google Messages. Users can now edit photos in various styles, from anime to 3D animation, even in group chats. This feature is available on Pixel 6 and above, as well as other Android devices, ensuring everyone can join in on the fun. Bonus: a Wizardly theme. For fans of The Wizard of Oz, there's a new theme pack inspired by the film, Wicked, for good. It offers a magical touch to your Pixel with themed wallpapers, icons, sounds, and GIFs. Available on Pixel 6 and up, it's a fun way to personalize your device. With these updates, Google aims to enhance the user experience. But will they be enough to satisfy the ever-demanding tech enthusiasts? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are these features a game changer, or just a drop in the ocean of tech innovations?